हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एके क्रिप्टो। आज मैं आपके लिए ऐसी वेबसाइट आई हूँ जिससे आप घर बैठे कमाल की अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। चलो गाइस, वीडियो को स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर न्यू हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि फ्यूचर में आने वाली वीडियो आपको आसानी से मिल सके। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, मैं हर रोज़ आपके लिए नए टोकन, नई वेबसाइट और न्यू प्रोजेक्ट लाती हूँ जिससे आपको बहुत से बेनिफिट होते हैं। आज मैं आपके लिए ऐसा टोकन लाई हूँ जिससे आपको बहुत से बेनिफिट मिलेंगे। इस टोकन का नाम है वेलकम टू क्योर टोकन यूजिंग क्रिप्टो करेंसी टू हेल्प हील द वर्ल्ड। क्योर इज डेडिकेटेड टू यूजिंग द पावर ऑफ डिसेंट्रलाइज्ड फाइनेंस टू हेल्प राइट द प्लैनेट of dreadful disease like cancer. The global search teams and drawing from a wealth of experience in the innovation, technological and charitable sector, Cure aims to go one step further than simply become the world's most successful charity token. To complete revolution international healthcare as we know it. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस, ये नीचे इसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस है, आप देख सकते हैं इन्होंने कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एड्रेस दिया हुआ अपना। बाय नो, आप इस पे बाय नो करेंगे तो आप इसे पैनकेक स्वैप से बाय नो भी कर सकते हैं। व्यू चार्ट, ट्विटर, डिस्कॉर्ड, टेलीग्राम, मीडियम, स्मार्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, यूट्यूब, ये इसके यहाँ पे इनके ग्रुप्स हैं पड़े, आपने इन्हें फॉलो करना है। आप जब इन्हें फॉलो करेंगे तो आपको इसमें से बहुत सी इन्फॉर्मेशन और डिटेल मिलेगी। टोकन मार्केट डाटा, करंट प्राइस 0 है, होल्डर सप्लाई आप देख सकते हैं, मार्केट कैप ये हमारे पास वैल्यू। कम्युनिटी क्योर इज अ 10% कम्युनिटी ड्राइवन प्रोजेक्ट led by a the token was fair launched at $2,000 market cap with liquidity locked for an initial 1 year. Our project attracts long-term investors who believe in the powerful possibilities when burdening the innovative cryptocurrency space with causes focused on ending modern disease beginning with child cancer. Transparency, Cure has nothing to hide. Everything the project does and hopes to do is clearly outlined, and investor questions are welcomed. Here is some more upfront into about the project. Cure is a smart contract based crypto which uses BEP20 interface marketing in sure and immutable. 372 million token of the 1 billion total supply have been burned through transaction tax and manual burns. A further 150 million token are locked for 30 days. यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि 1 मिलियन टोकन्स हैं और 30 डेज तक लॉक्ड है। आगे, टीम वॉलेट आर नॉट करंटली लॉक्ड to allow trading for small profits, but as the project grows they will be time locked. Around $10,000 per day is collected by the wallet, which is used for transparent cancer research and sufferer donation. The current contract is not, but as the contract is upgraded further down the project timeline, it will be. The project lead does not take profit and burns any token he buys. Authenticity, the fully dogs funded Jacob Beakley is also the chairman of the highly successful non-profit Beakley Foundation, a charity dedicated to pediatric cancer. Cure is poorly by an on admission. Jacob does not want to need to make any personal gains from the project. This echoes the Beakley Foundation itself, which ensured that 100% of the charity profit find their way to the direct causes. Jacob is also easily reachable via and a variety of means and always responds to direct message as soon as able. The con team are also doxed and can be found with the quick Google search. Unlike many other BSc projects, Cure make no false, grandiose promise and is fully committed on achieving everything laid out in the roadmap. आगे ही आप खुद रीड आउट कर लें. Tokenomics launch Cure token was initially mint has a total supply 1 billion token transaction. Each transaction has a 10% fee subtraction which powers our costs and growth. This transaction fee decentralize those who are not in it for the cause. From this 10% fee, 4% reflection to reward those are with us long term. 3% charter violet with the donations derived to the non-profit focused on childhood cancer awareness, sport and reach. This will grow to support other causes as the project involves. 3% marketing to keep the project growing. ये आगे इनके प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. इसमें आप जब इन पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको इसमें से बहुत सी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी. वीकली कॉइन मार्केट कैप, पैनकेक स्वैप, याहू फाइनेंस, मार्केट वॉच, कोइनगीको, बिनांजिंग, बीएससी स्कैन, बीएससी एनई, रेडिट, ट्विटर, नॉमिक्स, मीडियम, ऑर्बिट, कॉरियर. आगे चलते हैं. रोड मैप. क्वेश्चन 3 2021 develop a secure and community based crypto token, the first created by an existing charity with the resource to make change by design. Core token has exponential price growth benefits for both holders and charities. Safe launch. Secure token V2 grand level marketing started. Verification of the contract. Core token on BSC scan. $7,000 already donated to scanner research and software with a further $10,000 to be donated daily. USD raised for pediatric scanner reached and awareness. $75,000 USD donated to scanner software and research institute. Technology application submitted to CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap and Live CoinWatch. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap listed. First exchange listing. NFT marketplace launched. Cartrick audit pass on critical issue found. Research engaging with Cure change concept starting launch. PR मार्केटिंग. ये आगे आप खुद रीड आउट कर लें. क्वेश्चन 1 2021 working towards a sustainable community powered network of advocates, ambassadors. Large push towards long-term goals including developing a unique new blockchain of agnostic patient health information and providing low-cost healthcare globally to all, fully outlined in imminent update white paper. Launching sustainable marketing programs outside of the traditional crypto communities. PR marketing. NASCAR major sponsorship deal and car wrapping in the 2022 NASCAR Cup Series. Continued international in-person investment meeting. NASCAR year-long website takeover being original of Cure book publish of process. ये आगे आप खुद रीड आउट कर ले. इसका चार्टर भी दिया हुआ है, टेक्नोलॉजी भी है. आवर मिशन is to innately spread awareness for Wonder founded childhood scanner found breakthroughs in scanner search and support families affiliated by childhood scanner. Long term, the project seeks to completely realization global healthcare to provide everyone their fundamental right to good health care no matter their फिनेंशियल और जियोग्राफिकल सिचुएशन. ये आगे आप खुद रीड आउट कर लें. मेक अ डोनेशन. ये इसके डोनेशन टीम है, आप देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पे पिक्चर शो हो रही है आपको. लेटर फ्रॉम द फाउंडर. हाय एवरीवन एंड Thank you for taking the time to visit Cure. My name is Jacob Bickley, and I am a founder and chairman of the Bickley Foundation, a 501c3 non-profit charity dedicated to making a difference in the battle against childhood cancer and beyond. I am proud to say that Scanner, the Bickley Foundation, first launched in 2016. It has managed to raise approximately $1 million. These funds have helped us make a significant impact in the search, support, and awareness to cancer. But this is just the start. I believe that by combining technology, innovation, and good, we will have a impact on the dreadful issue that has most, if not all, of our lives in some way. That's where Cure Token comes in. Through this community award project, both individual and causes can work together to make a real impact in the life of those affected with cancer and other awful disease, and go on the created a revolution from a global healthcare that can benefit all regardless of circumstance. If you would like to learn more about me, please feel free to check out of the link below. ये आगे इन्होंने लिंक दिया हुआ है, आप इसे देख सकते हैं। आप इस पर क्लिक करेंगे तो आपको इसमें से इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। लर्न मोर, फाइंड अस ऑन मीडियम वाई क्योर इशू desperately needed. It is a medical and sobering fact that 1 in 6 of all deaths is caused by some form of cancer, making it the second leading cause of Cure Token. About Cure Token. Cure Token is the first differentiatory crypto token built around doing good by design. This community powered token has exponential price. Cure Token medium, how Cure is using cryptocurrency to help heal the world. Another day, another meme. Like the rest of the internet, the cryptocurrency space is now saturated by the arbitrarily phenomenon that both Cure Token medium, how one cure can making a big difference. Cancer might be nasty business, but it is business. Indeed, it costs the US alone some $130 billion each year, and for sufferers themselves. Cure Token curing pediatric cancer through crypto. Cure is the first deflationary crypto token built around doing good by design. The community power token has exponential price through Cure Token our community. Find us on सोशल मीडिया पेज। ये इसके यहाँ पे सोशल मीडिया पेज है, ट्विटर, टेलीग्राम, डिस्कॉर्ड, फेसबुक, मीडियम और रेडिट। आप इन्हें फॉलो करेंगे तो आपको इसके ग्रुप मिलेंगे अंदर, और ग्रुप को आप ज्वाइन करेंगे आपको इसमें से बहुत सी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। वेब पेज नॉट अवेलेबल, ये इसका वेबसाइट पेज है, आप देख सकते हैं। आगे क्योर टोकन इज़ द फर्स्ट डिफ्लेशनरी crypto token built around doing good by design. The community power token has exponential price growth benefits for both holders and charities. Bickley Foundation community, Telegram, Reddit, Discord, resource, audit, roadmap, white paper. The Bickley Foundation email, contact, how to buy, and GitHub कम्युनिटी। अब मैं आपको कम्युनिटी के बारे में बताती हूँ। यहाँ पे टेलीग्राम है, रेडिट है और डिस्कॉर्ड है। आप यहाँ पे इनके ग्रुप ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। रिसोर्स, एडिट, रोड मैप मैंने एडिट करके बता दिया, रोड मैप भी आपको दिखा दिया, वाइट पेपर है, द बिल्कुल फाउंडेशन है, ईमेल है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, हाउ टू बाय है और गिटहब। सोशल, ट्विटर, फेसबुक, टेलीग्राम, अनाउंसमेंट, मीडियम और यूट्यूब। ये इसके ग्रुप पे आप जब इन्हें ज्वाइन करेंगे तो आपको बहुत सी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी। क्रिप्टो कॉपीराइट 2021 द बिल के फाउंडेशन आर राइट रिजर्व। फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद करती हूँ आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आएगी। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो। अल्लाह हाफिज़।